Looking for something good to grill this week?
Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is outside today with a couple of new options, including some tacos. Hi, Angie.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good to see you. Wish we could have you inside the studio, but soon we will.
Getting closer.
Getting closer. At least you're on the property.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, so what are we doing today?
So I've got a carnitas-style grilled taco recipe. It's one of my new favorites. It is super delicious and very easy. And I'm using flat iron steak. Traditionally we use flank or skirt steak, which would work perfectly in this recipe. But flat iron is tender, so you don't have to plan ahead. You don't have to marinate it overnight or 6 hours. Literally 15 minutes up to 2 hours. So I'm just marinating for flavor, and I'm just using some jarred tomatillo salsa as the base of the marinade, some fresh cilantro, lime juice in there, just for flavor. Let it marinate, and then grill it, and that flat iron is so tender. It's the second most tender cut. It plumps up and is so juicy. I've been letting it rest here, but we just want to nibble on it right now. Like, it looks so good. But I've let it rest, and then I sliced it, and then just a super easy, delicious, fresh avocado salsa. So an avocado, I actually have two. I'm making a double batch for us today here for supper. And then some tomatillo salsa, some white onion, fresh cilantro. So a lot of the flavors that are in the marinade are going to be in the salsa.
I bet that smells great.
A little bit of kosher salt and some garlic, and then about a tablespoon of fresh lime juice. So squeeze in about half a lime. So this is our salsa. So I did go ahead and I grilled some corn shells.
You can grill those?
Yeah, I just put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on them, grilled them, but you don't have to, but I had time. And then I'm going to put some salsa on top. And then we'll make a bunch for us. And look at that, carnitas-style grilled beef tacos.
Oh, that looks out of this world.
It looks great.
Second recipe I have completely made, but it's a churrasco steak sandwich, because I put this sandwich together and then I put it back on the grill so the provolone cheese would melt. But I started with a hoagie bun. I actually grilled that alongside some top sirloin. Top sirloin just has a little salt and pepper on it. But then you make a homemade pesto. So just parsley and some garlic cloves, a little salt, a little extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice. Make a homemade pesto for the top of this, and then grilled red peppers to go along with it. And that's kind of it. Provolone peppers, some steak. You could use any steak in this also, so any tender steak will be perfect for the grill for these. So our churrasco steak sandwiches. And then, assemble them and then get that great Wisconsin provolone nice and melty on the grill, a couple more minutes. So
how long do you cook the steaks?
I did these steaks are about 3/4 of an inch, and I used my instant read meat thermometer, and I like to do about 4 minutes aside because I don't like to go past medium rare. I like that nice pink. Now this flat iron though does take longer because it's a thick cut and it plumps up because it's out of the chuck. It's so juicy. I'd give this almost 10 minutes aside, but use your meat thermometer. 140 degrees, 135, pull it off, let it rest, and it'll continue to raise to a nice 145, which is a nice medium rare. If you want to go medium, go up to 150, 155.
A direct heat?
Direct heat, right here on my Weber. So beeftips.com is our website. Check that out for a lot of great more grilling recipes, beef chuck-off recipes, all there on one spot for you. Click on As Seen on TV and you'll find these 2 recipes, plus a lot of really fun, complete meals for the grill.
Plenty of grilling time left.
Yes.
There seems to be.
Beeftips.com. Angie, great to see you again.
Thank you, Angie.
We'll see you soon.